welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Nova Scotia buried under up to 5 feet of snow from days-long snowstorm. Widespread snow totals of well over a foot were observed across the province as the storm pummeled the region from Friday into the Monday, and a volunteer observer in Sydney, Nova Scotia, reported 59 inches of the snow. Heavy snow pummeled coastal areas of Nova Scotia in Canada over the weekend as a strong low-pressure system stalled just off the Canadian Maritimes. Widespread snow totals of well over a foot were observed across the province as the storm pummeled the region from Friday into Monday. The official observation in the town reported just over 40 inches. Halifax's airport recorded just over 33 inches of the snow during the storm, with widespread totals of 12 to 16 inches in the heart of the town. Nova Scotia Premier said during the news conference Monday, it has recently been the historic snow event, and there were 500 calls for help to 911 on Sunday and another 300 calls on Monday. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police were busy clearing the several snow-related crashes along the region's streets and highways. The snow has since tapered off, but snowplows are still struggling to clear such a tremendous amount of the snow. Chief of the Public Works in Nova Scotia says more than 1,000 workers are using 400 pieces of equipment to clear the road, and they are bringing in extra equipments from the western side of the Nova Scotia, which was spared the onslaught as well as neighboring provinces. An epic multi-day snowfall event has set records across the Nova Scotia, with some residents now digging out of 100 plus centimeters of the snow. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.